Emma and Jack's Veggie Adventure. Emma and her friend Jack went on a special adventure. Today, they were visiting Jack's vegetable garden, a place full of surprises. Wow, Jack! What are all these plants? Emma asked, her eyes wide with wonder. Jack smiled, these are vegetables, Emma. We grow them here. Jack explained, vegetables need sunlight to grow big and strong. Just like you need sunshine to play. Next, Jack showed Emma how he waters the plants. Water helps them grow, too. It's like their juice. We also need to take good care of the plants, said Jack. He gently pulled a weed from the soil. No yucky weeds allowed. Emma tried to pull a weed, but it was stuck. Jack helped her, and together they pulled it out. Teamwork, giggled Emma. Jack picked a ripe red tomato and washed it. Now you can taste what we grew, Emma. Emma took a bite. This is the best tomato ever. She learned that vegetables are yummy and good for her. The end. Thank you for watching.